Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a look using Huda Beauty's new palette. This is the Mercury, there we go, that's it. The Mercury Retrograde palette. Wow, I feel like I said all that wrong, but you guys know what I'm talking about. To be honest, I thought this look was gonna come out a little bit more maroony, but you know what, purple works too. So if you guys wanna see how I created this look, please keep watching. Alright guys, so my face and my brows are done. If you want to see how I did that, I am going to post a little clip on Instagram at Chelseasmakeup if you want to check that out. And for today's eye look, I'm going to be using Huda Beauty's new Mercury Retrograde palette. So beautiful. I'm going to start by setting my entire eyelid and brow bone using Momentum. I'm just going to go in with a fluffy brush. This is my ColourPop E2 brush. And I'm going to pick up some of that, making sure my eyelid has no creases in it. I'm just going to go ahead and dust this on. Now for my transition shade, I'm going to be going in with Off Balance, taking this on my Anastasia Beverly Hills A12 brush. Making sure to almost get this all the way up to my brow bone. Just leaving that little space for some highlight. And then deepening this crease up a little bit more, I'm gonna go in with Hot Mess. Taking this on my Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH37 brush. And get this in my outer V as well. Blending it out with some Off Balance. And then lastly, to deepen up my outer V a little bit more before I cut my crease, I'm going to go in with Vortex. And I'm taking this on my Morphe brush. It does not have a number, it's just Morphe. So what I'm going to do is just pop this in there. Then I'm going to use Hot Mess, the brush for Hot Mess, to blend it out. Alright, so next I'm going to cut my crease, and I'm just going to do a thin layer of my MAC Studio Fix 24-Hour Concealer. This is in the shade NC40. So it's the shade that I would use for my concealer under my eyes. I'm just gonna pop a little bit on. Then just blending it in to that purple. Now I'm going to set my eye using Momentum, that very first shade I used to set my entire eyelid. I'm just going to set what I just cut there. Then taking some of Hot Mess, blending that cut crease out in the middle there. Then taking Vortex and blending out Hot Mess, making sure those blend out nicely. Alright, so next I'm just gonna line my crease using Galaxy right here. So I'm just grabbing some Galaxy on this thin brush and just lining where I just cut there. Alright, so once you're done that, I'm just going to bring it down a little bit so it's not a harsh line and just kind of fades into my lid. So next I'm just going to smudge out my under eye, and I'm going to be using Huda Beauty's Eyes Sparkle and Shine brush. I'm actually going to use this little smudger end. Picking up some Hot Mess. Then picking up some Vortex and smudging that closer to the lash line. Then just blending that out with the bigger Hot Mess brush. And blending it all out again using the Momentum brush. So now for liner, I'm going to go in with Huda Beauty's Life Liner. I'm actually going to grab it on another brush just because I don't like using this because this gets all over my lashes and kind of clumps it up, but I love the liner, so I'm just going to pick it up on another brush and just drawing a thin line right on my lash line. This is just for the lashes to go on. Then for lashes, I'm going to be going in with Blinking Beauté's Design number 4. For mascara, I'm going to go in with Urban Decay's Perversion mascara. Now for my inner corner and brow bone, I'm going to go into this palette one last time, going in with Galaxy again. And I'm just going to take this on my middle finger. And then for my highlight, going in with Too Faced Pineapple Paradise Strobing Bronzer. I'm going to go in with the highlighting side. Then also going on my nose. Then my Cupid's bow. And for my lips, I'm going to be going in and lining them with Soar by MAC. And filling that in using Buxom's Full-On Plumping Lip Polish in the shade Dolly. And this is the final look. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. Also, click that bell icon if you want to get notifications for when I post future videos. I hope you guys want to recreate this look. If you do, please tag me on Instagram at Chelseasmakeup. Thank you guys again for watching. I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video.